has opened without warning, and I hear my name being called. Blind belief, hiding truth beneath my grief. Every choice I thought was mine now stands exposed in perfect line. The ground below begins to shake, its silence grows too much to take. I feel the weight of every sin like something crawling under skin. No more masks, no more lies. I can't hide behind my disguise. I stand before the throne of judgment, where every truth is finally shown. Rise like breaking storms, revealing every shape I've worn. The life I built begins to fade, as every debt must be repaid. I beg for silence, beg for grace, but I can't hide my own face. Past returns in burning light to judge the dark I kept inside. No escape, no alibi, only truth I can deny. I stand before the throne of judgment, where every lie is torn away. No shelter left for my repentance, no words I can use to stay. Every memory cut so deep, I can't find sleep. I stand before the throne of judgment, and I break beneath. If this is justice, let it fall. Let it fall.